Online courses for kids. Welcome to Online Courses for Kids. In this session, we will learn how to build our application APK. This APK will be used to add your application to Google Play Store. Are you ready? Let's go. Please open your browser. Open the following URL, http://ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. From MIT App Inventor home screen, select My Projects. Now you can see a list of your projects. Then click on any project. Now you can see the home of your project. From top menu, select Build. Then select second item, Save APK to my computer. Now, you can see a progress bar for building your application. Now, you can see your application APK downloaded to your local folder. You can use this APK when uploading your application to Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this session and see you in next sessions.